Hi, little artist. Today I'll show you how to make your favorite animal with clay. We'll look at simple pictures and short videos from pexels.com to help. Ready? Hands clean. Big smile. First, let's warm the clay. Roll it in your hands. Squish, squish. Soft and ready. Think of your favorite animal. Maybe a turtle. Maybe a kitty. Maybe a puppy. I will make a turtle to show you. Step 1. Body. Make a big ball. Now press it gently into a round pancake. This is the turtle's shell. Step 2. Head. Roll a small ball. Pinch the front to make a tiny nose. Stick it to the shell with a little press. Step 3. Legs. Roll 4 tiny sausages. Press 1, press 2, press 3, press 4. Tap, tap, tap. Step 4. Tail. A tiny triangle. Press it on the back. Use a toothpick with an adult's help. Poke 2 gentle eyes. Draw a tiny smile. Hello, turtle. Do you want a pattern on the shell? Press little dots, circle, square, heart. You can look at a turtle picture from pexels.com for ideas. If your favorite animal is a kitty, start with a big head ball. Add 2 little triangle ears. Roll a long snake tail. Poke eyes. Add a button nose. Add a whisker line. If it's a puppy, make a head ball. Add floppy ear shapes. A small nose. A happy tongue. Take your time. Press softly. If it breaks, it's okay. Squish and try again. When you're done, show you're grown up. Let the clay dry if it's air dry. Then wash hands. Great job, little sculptor. I'd love to see your animal. Bye-bye for now.